Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2 of this Elliot wave structure right here in blue, where we have now managed to get into the minimum retracement area for that wave 2, though we have not yet fully maximized that target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5331 mark. And in the formation of this wave 2, which is a corrective wave, I'm also expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where I'm terming this as the wave A. Then we picked in that wave B in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.5461 mark. And having seen the formation of that wave B, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave C, in the move that should fully maximize our minimum target area and also give us the low for that second wave to the lower side. And to get the minimum retracement area for this second wave, I used the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, which gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.4185 mark and the $0.3538 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios and what I'm also expecting on the long-term scenarios, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And since I'm expecting one more leg down in the formation of this wave C, and to also fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 2, there are high chances that Fantom is going to continue seeing further breakdown to fully maximize our minimum target area, which lies between the $0.4182 mark and the $0.3542 mark. So there are high chances over here that we are going to continue seeing further breakdown in the formation of this wave C in a move that should give us a low below the low that we made at around the $0.3961 mark. And once the low for that second wave is in, then from there we can start expecting the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And since today we also have the FOMC meeting later in the day, there are high chances that we are going to see a lot of volatility in the market. And if the market has a negative impact to the market, then there are high chances that we are going to fully maximize our target area. But in case we have a positive impact to the market, there are high chances that Fantom has now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 in the low that we made at around the $0.3968 mark. And if that is the case, and if the FOMC meeting has a positive impact to the market, then there are high chances of seeing a trend reversal from the current prices and continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios. And to also give you the long-term outlook here on the Fantom chart, basing it on this Elliot wave structure that I have right here in yellow, where you can see that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 2 within this yellow target area. And having seen the low for that second wave, and that is after we peaked in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.65 mark, there are high chances that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of this wave 3, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 3, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And that's the reason as to why I have this Elliot wave structure right here in blue, where I'm expecting the wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And it is this micro Elliot wave count in blue that has just given me the short-term scenarios, where there are high chances that we are still in the formation of this wave 2, and in case further breakdown continues, there are high chances of fully maximizing our minimum target areas, and we also need to continue holding above the $0.35 mark for us to still say that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 2, and also have the high chances of seeing that run up in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 34 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case the breakdown continues, that will still be supported here on the RSI. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting lower prices, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.